I'm sure we're all familiar with the expression when a photo says 1,000 words. To me, that's his photograph right here. That is powerhouse couple Jack and Lara. And today we're going to go through their story. They're going to tell the story downstairs in front of the fire. It's one of those scenarios where Squire Editions as a brand has fallen into the Defender world, and I'm sure many of you out there are going to relate to the Defenders that will actually speak 1,000 words, and there's always a story behind a Defender. And today, as I said, Jack and Lara are going to explain their story. So from my side, I want to reflect back on the day that we met you guys, how we met, and what it's all about.
Yeah.
Before we started this, I did a little piece to camera, and just on the basis of, I think that, we're all familiar with the expression where a photo says 1,000 words. When we had this conversation, I looked at your Instagram just to try and understand what you guys are all about, the powerhouse couple, Jack and Lara.
Oh, yeah.
And when you did the 3 peaks, and you both did it together. So to me, it says that both of you enjoy the great outdoors and both of you thrive in adventure. What I want people to understand when they're watching this was an event that happened, how long ago was it?
The 26th of January.
26th of January.
Yeah, this year. Yeah,
this year.
Yeah.
Lara was going to work. She was at work, and a tragic accident happened, which led to Lara losing her right leg. Nobody knows this. This is going to be the first that's discussed on camera. Tell us what happened. How did that happen, Lara? What was the scenario?
So I was working on the road as traffic management, and someone obviously didn't see me, and they crushed me against the back of my van.
I know there's lots of tears, and I know there's lots of emotions, and there will be that today for very obvious reasons.
Yeah.
But I think you need to give yourself a massive pat on the back for how far you've come since the accident, because many people would give up, and I think it's nice to be able to reflect back on this, and for our audience that are watching this, just to take a piece of that to understand, sometimes a bad card is dealt, but just look at where you are now and what you're achieving and what you're about to achieve.
But then I couldn't have done any of it without you.
So we've just touched base on it, and I'm sorry to touch base. I'm sorry to make you upset. I don't mean to make you upset, but I think it's nice for our audience to understand, where you've come from, because I'm sure there's going to be lots of people looking at this and taking a lot of strength from it, but also giving you a massive pat on the back.
Yeah.
That's going to be, a dead cert, that's for sure. So we've met. We've come here. You've got a kit supplied to make your vehicle an automatic conversion, and here we have it. Yeah. We've got an automatic conversion set out there, so this is now going to enable both of you to go out and enjoy the great outdoors. Yeah. It's been a challenge. It's definitely been a challenge in different ways. I would like to do, say a massive shout out to the whole team, because they have all been incredible. All of the craftsmen here have helped. Specifically, Ollie. Ollie has taken this and done it to the highest of standards, to the best of his ability, and really made a thorough job of this. He has done some extra, things that are not quite right underneath there. He has attended to them, so they're all good. Some of the swivel houses were leaking, some other components that weren't quite right, so he has done that. The rock sliders that we discussed, there is an issue with one of them. So we just need to get the right ones, but all the welding's been done in advance. So that's all ready to accept the rock sliders when they arrive. When they do arrive, do come down and we can get them sorted. That's not an issue, and when we go through what's what. Then the last piece of the jigsaw is going to be making it so we can have that alternate swap over with a pedal. We wanted to take the car away now so you can enjoy it for what it is, obviously with yourself driving, but we want to look at the safest way so we can convert it so you can have the pedal on the left-hand side. The last task to do on that car is to rivet a plate on there. And I know it doesn't sound big news, but the plate on itself is the Land Rover plate, which specifies automatic vehicle. So I think it's only appropriate for you to do that, Lara.
Okay.
To be able to do that, just to seal the deal, and then just to get that put on the back, just to signify the conversion. You happy to do that?
Yeah.
I think maybe we're still saying we just want to obviously offer you the gift.
Oh, very, very, very generous of you, and
of everything that you've done in the Squire team, and it's just a small token of our appreciation.
Wow. Thank you very much. I'm excited about this one. I think I've got a pretty good idea. I'll take you out. Yeah, this is a teamwork.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's not edible, dog. Oh my word. Thank you both very, very much. That is a work of art. Robbie can be a latecomer. Now what we can't do, you can actually if you want. We can't make everybody cry. It's just you've just got to. Yes, you might. Yeah, it's very early days. Yeah, it depends on where it goes. We've had a lovely chat and reception, and we've gone through what we've gone through here. We all know the story behind this and why it's been done. Is to give both of these guys, specifically Lara, the opportunity to enjoy and embrace the great outdoors once again. So now it has had the automatic conversion. This is the next steps of the journey for Jack and Lara.
Yeah.
I think it would be nice for us, as we discussed before, just to signify that by Lara putting the plaque on the back to confirm this is a four-wheel drive automatic Defender. Yeah, no pressure at all.
Are you straight?
Yeah. Here we go.
A bit awkward, this one.
You got this.
It's got to go straight.
Yeah, watch your fingers. Yes. No pressure. No pressure.
That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Oh, we had a double pump. I'm not quite sure. I thought that was cheating. I think what these guys deserve is a lovely round of applause. So they're going round the person. Well done. Yeah. That's happy tears, by the way. That's all very happy tears. We've been for it. Definitely happy tears. I think both of you need to go out for a little drive out.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, to go out for a little drive out. I can't squeeze in there as well. As much as I'd love to, I can't squeeze in next to you. Yeah, well, that's possible. Yeah. She sounds lovely. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm? No, that's all right. Cheers. We've had lots of them. Mr. Professional Driver.
I don't really know what to say. It's just giving us like what we love doing back, isn't it?
Defender's the heart of us, and we like just getting away, getting camping, and we can't do it without it. So what Squire have done is just beyond.
Yeah. And it's been quite a hard road, but for everyone at the Tom and the Squire team, the generosity has just made this road just a bit easier.
Yeah. I mean, we couldn't have done it without them, and I don't think anyone will realise it has been something to look forward to for the past couple of months.
Yeah.
Something to keep pushing towards. So it's helped in more than one way.
Jack and Lara have just been and collected their vehicle.
Pretty cool.
Absolutely over the moon with it, as you could see. There was lots of tears. First one for you, wasn't it? Conversion on one of those?
Yeah, it was.
How did it go?
It was good. I mean, there's not really any instructions for that kind of thing.
No.
Most of the parts were there. There was very much a head scratcher for most of it, but we got through it, started it, and it moved. So that was the main.
Which is always a win.
Which is the win.
It is a win when stuff moves.
Yeah.
It all fitted. There was no major cutting around or anything like that you had to do.
In terms of like the tunnel and everything, it was pretty straightforward. There was nothing to cut out. The gearbox was on a Disco 1, I believe.
Yeah.
So pretty much bolt on.
Yeah.
It was just all the corresponding parts that you needed really, like
Bits and
torque
pieces.
converter and
Yeah,
all that kind of
absolutely,
stuff. But yeah, still use the same transfer box.
It was almost a plug and play kit.
Almost,
It was just
yeah.
a little bit of hardware that
Yeah,
fought you a
that's
little
it.
bit. The way it moved as well, the way it drove was really
Smooth.
nice. Really nice, wasn't
Buttery
it?
smooth, I'd
Yeah,
say.
yeah. And I think Jack was suitably impressed by that. He was expecting sort of an old school
Yeah.
automatic gearbox where you could actually feel it
Jolt,
changing gear, but it just didn't, did it?
No, it didn't. Yeah, I was always impressed when we took it out for a test drive. Yeah, it pulled
nice.
very well, all through the gears.
Yeah.
Got the kickback. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Thumbs up for
Excellent.
that.
Yeah, really nice. And couldn't have been done for a nicer couple, really,
No,
could it?
not at all.
You know,
Lovely.
they were super
Yeah.
appreciative. So that's it. Another one done. If you want to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you again on the next one.